Simplifying variable expressions. Basically, to understand how to simplify expression with variables, you need to know some basic definitions. Expression is a mathematical statement without equal signs. It contains numbers and variables. So let's say we have 25my cubed divided by 60 second power y. First of all, we need to use prime factorization in the numerator and denominator. So 25 cubed would equal 5 times 5 times times y times y times y. And you should know why from what I'm getting from if you use the skateboard method. And then 60 to the second power y would be the same as 5 times 2 times 3 times 2 times times y. Now, the common number or variable from the numerator and denominator will cancel out because what you're really doing is writing in 1. For example, 5 divided by 5 will equal 1, so this cancels out. M and M are also common numbers, so they cancel out. And Y too. If you can see, there aren't any other common numbers between them. So, let's rewrite that then. This whole equals 5y 5 times y times y divided by 2 times 3 times 2 times m. Okay? So now that we've done prime factorization, we'll simplify the fraction. So 5 times y equals 5y to the second power, and 2 times 3 times 2 m equals 12m. And that's all. That's how you simplify a variable expression. Because remember, this expression is the same as this. It's just that the 5y to the second power divided by 12m is more simple, and it's just making your life easier. Okay, so now that you have the concept and you understand it, let's do one example that is a bit more complex. So 4xy times 8y divided by 20xy m. As you can see in the numerator, you have two numbers that can be multiplied. So let's see. 8 times 4 is 32, then xy to the second power because we have two y's, and then 20xy m. So now we can basically do prime factorization on the numerator and denominator. Then 32xy to the second power will be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times x times y times y. And 20xym will equal 5 times 2 times 2 times x times m. Now, as I said before, we can get the numbers that are common in the numerator and denominator and cancel them out. So 2 and 2 will cancel out, 2 and 2 will cancel out, y and y will cancel out. And I'm basically left with 2 times 2 times 2 times x times y divided by 5 times m. And now we can simplify it even more because we can do 2 times 2 times 2 times x and y and then 5 times m. So my final answer is 8xy divided by 5m. Thank you. That was all for today. Hope you enjoyed.